got 2 cans of black beans that I've rinsed and drained. Pineapple chunks. This is white and yellow, but super sweet. Half a cup of a minced red onion. 1 tub of cherry tomatoes that I've cut in half. It's about like a cup and a half. I found these diced avocados. They're not frozen, they're fresh, but they just come like that, and they come 2 to a packet, and we just need both of those in here. Pre-chopped cilantro, just add a really, really, really good handful of that. So, now obviously if you don't like cilantro, use parsley. We're gonna go ahead and make a quick dressing. 1/4 cup of just lime juice. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And just a little bit of cayenne. Mix this all together. We've got our salad and our dressing gets drizzled all over the top. Put a little bit of saran wrap on this and pop it into the fridge. Cute little taco holder. Give this a little bite. So good. Make this be a hit.